Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how much you can overdraft with Wells Fargo. Wells Fargo offers overdraft protection options, and the amount you can overdraft depends on the type of account you have and whether you've enrolled in overdraft services. If you link a savings account or a credit card to your Wells Fargo checking account, you can transfer funds to cover overdrafts, and the overdraft amount will depend on the available balance in your linked account or credit limit. With Wells Fargo standard overdraft service, the bank may cover your overdraft for a fee, typically up to $35 per transaction. This service could allow you to overdraft